would like to call out many things. Like I will come up with many things, as I said. I will later on, and I will add on how much quantity of products are getting sold. So if you wanted to have a quick check, I will give you one of the best advice. I'm just showing you one of my seller. He is doing really excellent job right now. He is from Punjab. He is not able to join right now. So if you will see, like he just recently joined 2 months back. Okay, so if you can see this, this is the watch we have listed in his account. My team did the things, and he is trending at 595 US dollars. So ये जो वॉच है वो अभी इसमें 53 लोग इसको बिड कर चुके हैं. हमने इसका बिडिंग जो है 0.01 से स्टार्ट किया था. So these are the trendy products which we are listing on our sellers who are opting us our account management services. So there's a basic funda of VPN. हम किसी भी सेलर को सक्सेस बनाते हैं. सिंपल. जैसे कि अगर आपके पास कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, दैट्स ओके, कम जॉइन अस. अगर आपके पास ऐसी कोई प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है, कम जॉइन अस, वी विल गिव यू द प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर आपके पास शिपिंग सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, वी विल गिव यू द शिपिंग सॉल्यूशन. So today's session is I'm having only just 10 minutes left to this Zoom webinar. Day by day, whenever I will come online, I will elaborate what kind of products are getting sold on different platforms as well. Now I will go to the Amazon UK platform. Just go over here, right? You can click on best sellers. You can search here Indian. Whenever you click on Indian, आपको अगर कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे टॉप सेलिंग इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स देखनी है तो सबसे पहले इंडियन कीवर्ड सर्च कर लीजिए. सो ई कॉमर्स का फंडा ये है कि हमको प्रोडक्ट सर्च करना, उसका रिसर्च करना बहुत अच्छा आना चाहिए. सबसे ज्यादा क्या बिकता है, कौन सी कंट्री में बिकता है, उसको जानने के लिए, बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए जस्ट सर्च कीवर्ड इंडियन. फिर किसी भी लिस्टिंग को ओपन कर दो. जैसे कि मैं ये वाली लिस्टिंग को ओपन कर रहा हूँ. इसको लिस्टिंग को ओपन करने के बाद आपको यहाँ पे आना है न्यू 3 फ्रॉम 23 यूरोस. यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है आपको. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू सी अ लिस्ट ऑफ सेलर्स जो इस प्रोडक्ट को बेच रहे हैं. Click on his ID sold by E Stationery House. Click over here. You will be able to get everything about this seller. You can click on storefront, open it in new tab. Now this seller is providing 194 variety from India. अब इस seller का location जानना है तो भी आप जान सकते हो. I will show you where. So that's okay. I will share you the location वाले sellers. अभी I think so they have stopped from UK. But apart from this, you can directly contact this seller and you can get every details from him. Now if you wanted to check ये seller क्या क्या product sell कर रहा है, यहाँ इसको click करो storefront पे. Check out, these are the things that he is getting onboarded on platforms. Now you just check out 72 feedbacks, 29 feedbacks of umbrellas. So this kind of things you can also sell in your any seller account, even though it's eBay, Etsy, Amazon, or Bonanza. There is another platform as well, Groupon. I will later on elaborate what are those all platforms step by step. Week by week, I will be come up with new introduction about more platforms and more opportunity to each and every seller. So this is me who is presenting this all the entire things wherein आप लोग भी एक सेलर बन के स्केल कर सकते हो अपने बिजनेस को. जस्ट चेक आउट उसने कैसे अपनी प्रोडक्ट्स को लगाया है. इफ यू गाइस आर हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन पुट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स एज वेल, राइट? आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ये फूलों की माला भी बेच रहे हैं 21 यूरोस में, जो शायद शादियों में उसके लिए यूज होती है. सो दिस आर द प्रोडक्ट्स आर गेटिंग सोल्ड. So whomsoever are interested, they can put their mobile number and email address in the chat box ताकि मेरी टीम आपको reach out कर ले and they will elaborate you how we gonna onboard you. हम आपको कैसे support करते हैं from zero to scratch. See, these are the products he is dealing into, जैसे कि फूलों की माला and all. You can also easily opt in from any local vendor, and you can also sell these goods on very good rates. You're gonna have it. So these are the products are getting sold. I will let you know. Click on bestseller. Now go through with the category. If you will go with the beauty category, the beauty, if you will search this is a Garnier products which are getting sold from India. This is a Corosal Kajal, I guess, a kind of Corosal Maybelline. This is a mascara. We can also opt in from Indian market. My team is going to let you know the distributor list. All India हर एक category wise कौन से distributor से आप purchase कर सकते हो, because Amazon is very strict about his product and everything. सो आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हो लोकल वेंडर से नहीं लेना है आपको, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज बाय इट फ्रॉम द राइट वेंडर, जहां पे आप उस जीएसटी इनवॉइस को अमेजोन को रिप्रेजेंट करो, क्योंकि कल जाके कोई बायर अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन क्रिएट करता है जहां पे यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड देम अ सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड यू हैव टू हैव अ जीएसटी इनवॉइस विद अस, राइट? सो नाउ आई एम मूविंग टू द मेनी थिंग्स राइट नाउ आई एम हैविंग इन माय माइंड टुडे, and I just like to tell you everyone that I never represent any PPT. I never believe in any theoretical things. I always come up with a great session. I have only 30 or 35 odd minutes to represent myself today. We commit you to give you a $300 business commitment from our end whenever you join VPN e-commerce. That is a net profit we're gonna deliver it to you within 3 months of spam, wherein आपको at least minimum 400 products आपको account में लगानी है. अब प्रोडक्ट कहाँ से लानी है, कैसे लगानी है, कैसे स्टोर करनी है, कैसे पैक करनी है, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके माइंड में. So don't worry, my team is very educated about how to make seller success, how to support my sellers, support my each and every customers जो खुद के बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करना चाहता है. आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल्स आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद देयर ओन लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड सेल्स एंड दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन द इंडियन मार्केट्स. So if you will talk about Indian markets where there are less profit. Apart from India, you can go for the international market first, and later on you can come up. So this is what we have explained it. Now later on, now moving to the next topic, I would like to go with the eBay. So ebay.com की policies क्या है? Many people are not aware उसके charges क्या है. So you can sell in these countries. These are the sites. यहाँ पे आपको जिस कंट्री में आपको प्रोडक्ट्स बेचनी है उस कंट्री का प्लेटफॉर्म आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो और उसको वहां पे बेचने के लिए डाल सकते हो. Now you will go on sell globally. You will be able to see entire details. हम इंडिया से इन सारी प्रोडक्ट्स को कैसे सेल कर सकते हैं. सो वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन यू आर हैविंग, आपको अगर शिपिंग और पेमेंट में कोई क्वेश्चन है, आप यहाँ पे फी स्ट्रक्चर में जाके पूरा फी स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं ईबे का. दिस इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म. If I talk about eBay UK, then I will take you to the ebay.co.uk, right? So if you will go step by step here, you will be able to search a products like a common product. We can take it. Let's have a search of a Dettol brand. So whenever you open a Dettol, click on a Dettol product. Mostly these are the products which are highly usable in India as well. So जो seller जो है, he belongs from UK. Now check what are other products he is dealing into. This is called a product research actually. He is dealing into the hygienic products, mostly Dettol and Vanish. These are the Indian brands. इसकी अच्छी वैल्यू दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे, that is around 8.60 pounds. He is dealing into bars and liquids and all. So I'm just having only 8 few minutes left to represent this, and I commit you that whenever I will come next time, I will come up with a larger amount of time wherein I can spend my entire bandwidth to upscale your business, your ideas, because I cannot go individually and let you know that these are the trending products. But yes, just check out my all the YouTube video. I am on the YouTube since last 4 years, and I have experience of seminars conducting all over India, wherein I mostly conduct my seminars live on in Gujarat as well. So I have a good seller base with me who are working with me, and they are very much successful along with us. So thank you first of all for joining me today. Next time whenever I'll join, I will let you know guys like what we can do. If anyone is having question, then please raise your hand. Yeah, Poonam, you have a question, please let us know. You can unmute and ask. Yeah, Poonam, you are having question. Any question related to this entire presentation? Okay, if anybody wants to have any question, they can put it. They can raise their hand. In next videos, I will come up with more larger information about what are the top selling goods which can be easily sellable. And thank you very much for joining today. I hope my session would be adding a little more value to your business as well. Thank you so much, everyone.